What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network. This is the launch of Tacos and Tailpipes. That's right. From last year, we threw Tacos and Tailpipes together 2 weeks at a time. We were expecting like 40 cars, and we actually tallied over 400 incredible cars and people that came out for Tacos and Tailpipes. So we're doing it again, but it's going to be bigger and better. When I say bigger and better, it's going to be the same thing, just a little bit set up better. The shop is officially together from last year. We just got all the floors done. We're going to be doing another video coming up, which gives you guys a walk around the shop from the before and after, from what it was to what it is. But with that being said, there's no better way to launch into 2021 than with Tacos and Tailpipes. And with that being said, our first show is confirmed. It's 100%, which is going to be May 16th. So May 16th, it is a Sunday, which it was last year. Again, we're going to shut it down, this road. We're going to have all of our neighbors, which are opening up there, very generously opening up all their driveways so we can park in. We're hoping to maybe get the street signed off as well, or blocked off as well, so we can load some cars in the street too, because last year was incredible, and we were super thankful that everybody came out for it, and we want to make sure that we can keep that up for this year. So unfortunately, it is raining today. There is no rain date, so if it doesn't happen May 16th, that's fine. That's why we did 2 shows this year. Either it's going to be 2 sunny days, or hopefully just 1 rainy day and 1 not. That other day is into July. Right now, we do have July 18th set, but that could get changed to July 25th. So, but as of right now, we do have the May 16th date. That is 100%. We're gonna have the tacos out here. We're gonna have Brett coming back from Sketch My Ride. Obviously, our shop's gonna be opening with all the new incredible cars that we've been doing over the last year. So we change it up and show you guys what we've been doing, and obviously showcase a lot of our clients' incredible vehicles. So I hope you guys can make it out. Keep on track. We're also gonna be doing Tacos and Tailpipes Tuesday, which we're either gonna be showcasing a car that's gonna be at the show, or even better, showcasing one of our incredible clients that drives the cars that will also be at the show. So make sure you tune in for all of those. That's all we got for you guys. Get ready for Tacos and Tailpipes. It was incredible last year, and I cannot wait to see the showing up that we're gonna have this year. Make sure you do go onto Facebook though, and RSVP on our page. The reason behind that is our taco guys, last year we didn't know. We thought we may have 50 cars, maybe 60, and they only brought enough food for that. So obviously last year they ran out halfway through. They had to cook it up and bring it on over and make sure that we were feeding you guys even better. But make sure that you do the same for this year. We do charge for the tacos. That's about it. The tacos, we got to charge for them because we got to support them. This year though, we do have another incredible foundation, which I know a lot of you know about. We've been a super big supporter of it. And obviously through these COVID times and all these businesses that need some help right now, especially financially, we're going for the Barstool Fund. So the Barstool Fund will be our donation period for that May 16th show. That's where all of our donations are going to go. We're going to have the donuts, we're going to have the coffee. It's going to be $5, same thing like it was last year. I believe the tacos guys are going to be $5 too for the tacos, for those plates, which were so damn good. But this year it's going to be Barstool. Obviously, we you know, being affected by the businesses that was going through. I don't need to tell many of you guys, but it affected all of us to some degree, and a lot more still need incredible help. So there's no better place than right now with what Dave Portnoy and all his guys are doing over at the Barstool Fund. There's no better place to right now, at least how we feel, to give our money for this show coming up back to them. So when you guys come, hopefully we can get Dave Portnoy here. Who knows? But if he can, that'd be awesome. But if not, regardless, it's all the money that we're going to be raising for that day will be going back to those businesses that are in need for this year. So please come out, please support. Maybe Reed can put up, or Porn Stash Rabbit can put up some a donation page on our Facebook as well for that show, so anybody that can't make it for that May 16th show can donate online. But regardless, bring your cars out, bring your guys. Please, please, please bring your chairs and seats. I like being a whole day event. I like it where you guys have come out. I loved how everybody brought their own coolers with waters inside of it and their little Kool-Aids and just hung out. That's what we want, right? So this is a hangout event. We're not giving out trophies. We're not going and showing who's got the best car. All it is a super chill hangout period. Hang out with people that all have the same love for cars and are true enthusiasts just like we all are. So again, May 16th, make sure you make it out for Tacos and Tailpipes, and let us know how you like our logo. Brett from Sketch My Ride, I think he killed it, and he did that in front of me, which is incredible. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, go online, like our Facebook page for the car show, and as always, keep shining.